How to fix Modern Warfare 3 MW3 custom loadouts not working. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here are a few steps to fix the multiplayer loadout bug. The first one is to remove cold-blooded perk. That is, this bug often occurs due to an issue with the cold-blooded perk. If you are using this perk, try removing it from your loadout. While it might be disappointing to not use a favorite perk, this step has been effective in resolving the loadout issue. The next is adjust settings in Zombies mode. If you turn off the free loadout option in Zombies lobby, you can get your problem fixed. Alternatively, you can try entering and then leaving a Zombies lobby. This action has helped some players reset their multiplayer loadouts to function correctly. Next is to create custom loadouts. Create a new loadout from scratch and save it. Then the other option is clearing game cache. For PC, close the game and stem, delete the app cache folder in stem's installation folder and then restart stem. For PlayStation, turn off the console, unplug it for 30 seconds, then restart. If it is for Xbox, go to settings, then system, storage, and then clear the system cache and restart. So these are the steps that you can follow to fix the loadout problem in Warfare 3. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.